Welcome to our quick at-home workout. We're gonna build some balance and mobility today. Well done to continue showing up, consistency, discipline. Let's drive our leg up. High knee, if you will, drive your thigh. Let's just get moving, build some heat. We're gonna build energy, increase our mood every day. That is guaranteed. And if you know why you're here, if you can figure out the why, the how becomes so much easier. And once we get to day 3, already, day 3 to 5, 6, 7, they can be tricky to get the habit really dialed in. But if you can figure out why you're here, know exactly your reason, it becomes a lot easier. It doesn't take so much willpower. It's just, yes, I know why I'm doing this. Drive that leg up. Let's just get the heart rate up, get a little heat. In about 3 minutes, endorphins are going to start to flow. And I'm going to be giggling. Oh, they already happened. That was fast. Shake that out a little bit. Have our chair. Always use the chair if you need it. We are going to do it for one exercise possibly. So if you don't have one, pause. Grab it. Come back. So I want to build mobility and balance. So just shuffle to the side and hip when you come out. For me, it's often in the hips where the mobility is lacking. So we're going to shuffle, generate some heat, but also slide. Yeah. Good stretch, but also increasing our range of motion. Feeling good? Yes. Building some heat. Indeed. We want to find a flow. If you don't have a lot of space and it's just you're here, that's perfectly good also. But range of motion, mobility, but if we can add a little extra dynamic move to it, happy days. Nice short workout. Okay, let's get our arms involved. So a nice reach. So shuffle a bit. Again, you can just be here. This is great. You can always modify. You've got 28 days of movement. Modify everything so it works best for you here. But if you got some room and you can shuffle a bit, beautiful. A lot of the same movements we're gonna do, simplicity. It's just about showing up, staying consistent to a daily movement regimen. Can transform our lives. Just give us readiness for the day. Shake, shake, shake. Chair. We're gonna do some toe taps. This is about mobility. So if you're not comfortable yet, you can just tap with your foot. But if you can, get your arms involved. You can do this with as much speed as you like. The simplest exercise, the simplest movements can be so beneficial. Just think, I'm doing this so that I want to go climbing some steps or a big hill. I'm going to do it with greater ease. I'm going to be a little stronger, feel a little lighter. Happy days. Now just find your flow and go. Bouncing the step. I know why I'm doing this. So I can run up a few flights of stairs and feel good doing it. Yeah. Almost there. And shake, shake, shake. That was good. I like it. Let's get some arm circles. As big as you can. Oh, try not to smash things. Day 3. I'm feeling so good. Oh, come on. This life is exceptional. Let's go backwards. We've got lots of snow here. Went out with my son tobogganing. That's my why. So that I can pull him on the sled. We can run around, have some amazing laughs, and just feel light and strong and energized doing it. And these morning workouts just give me that energy and mood boost. Oh, give a little hug. Creating some range of motion in our shoulders, our upper back. Why we do this? So we can go hug all those people we love. Because we're all fired up from our morning movement and we want to spread the love. I'll be okay today. I'm going to get this out of the way. Build some balance, single leg, just out. Keep the chair there would be great. I shouldn't have moved away. You can hold the chair if you need for balance. If you can take it off every once in a while and do a couple without the, great. But just, let's get a few. I can come into my prayer posture. If I like, arms can be out, up, holding the chair, holding the wall. Just find a flow here and see if you can't increase the range of motion, get a little higher with each one. And if it looks like you're just like here, great. That's wonderful. Here, you just find the perfect place for you and go. Couple more. Engage the core, excuse me. Let's go to the other side. When we're doing this, build core stability at the same time. Balance, core stability, mobility. Whoa. Look at how much we can do with one exercise. Bring real attention, focus into this also. Oh yeah, we practice paying attention rather than being distracted. One side might be a little easier than the other. Remember our chairs here if we need it. Why do I want to have good balance? Know your why. Whoa. We're so much more likely to stick with a new habit if we know why we're doing it. It's real stressful when we're just working hard at something we don't want to do, as opposed to finding a passion. Yes, I know I want to do this. I'm passionate about it. Couple more. Ooh, ooh, shake it. Let's just move a bit. Get your arms swinging. Feel it in the hips? Yes. Increasing that range of motion, mobility. Oh yeah. So we've been doing this move a lot. I love this. So I want to do it a little bit more intentionally, or I want to go quickly also. So we're building balance and mobility, but also keeping that heart rate up nicely. Have some fun with this. This is kind of silly. Does it every time. Every time I move in an intentional way, my mood is elevated. Let's be intentional with this, yes. Intentional with our lives. We're so lucky. Get to move, show up. We build resilience by turning up every day. Ooh. So maybe hold it for an extra moment. We get to the, yeah. If you fall, that's all right. Oh, a couple more. Let's go quick for a second here. Let's just get that feel good vibe, really rocking and rolling. Nice stretch at the top. Get a range of motion in your upper back as well. And hallelujah. Continuing, let's just keep moving. Heel to toe. Really intentional. And turn. It's funny how this seems like such a simple thing, but bring all your attention into, if you don't have a lot of space, you don't need it. You just go and go here, and I can turn. Just balance. I like to think of this too. If you see a little wall when you're out, some rocks, hey, I'd go practice balance on that. The more mindful you are when you do this, the easier it becomes. We're moving just heel to toe, turn. One more time. You're gonna see something when you're out today. Hey, I can get on that. I can be childlike. That's what a kid would do. That's what I can do also. Well, that was supposed to be it, wasn't it? That's it for today. Happy days. Join me. Just here, 1 minute. Think of your why. Why are you going to show up tomorrow? Why do you keep showing up? Know that why. And it eliminates the need for willpower. And just connect to your breath. Notice when the mind wanders. Oh, nope, I'm bringing my attention to really concentrating and focusing on why I want to show up every day for a little quick morning workout. Mind wanders. Just notice it's wandered. That's what the mind does. Bring it back. You're not your mind. You're the witness of it. And know your why. Shake it out. Functional fitness. So we get through our day a little stronger, a little lighter, and with a little more ease. Well done. Keep showing up. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.